Have you ever wondered why it feels like as you age, you're getting smaller and smaller? Good morning, this is Dr. Lou. Welcome to my morning commute. Hey, have you ever wondered why it feels as though you're shrinking? There's a reason for it, and it's explained by physics. Our bodies are subject to the forces of gravity. We have somewhat soft discs in between the vertebra of our spine that are pliable, malleable. They smush with pressure, okay? Over time, over the course of a day, your spine can become compressed up to 22 millimeters, from 0 to 22, depending on your body type, your history, how healthy your discs and your spine are and other joints of the body. 22 millimeters is the max. Think about that. And by the end of the day, you've actually shrunk. And then when you go to bed, to some degree, you decompress while you're lying flat, hopefully on your back. So if you've ever felt like you're getting shorter, if you're getting smaller, it's no different than the snow that's going to dump on us today, compressing things down, weighting things down with the potential to cause damage. And you have to take the pressure off of the roof and off of your spine by decompressing it, by removal of the snow, or by sleeping, or other measures like spinal decompression, flexion, distraction, and other chiropractic tools that are very, very helpful for opening you up. So if you feel compressed, you ought to seek the advice of a chiropractor that does some sort of flexion distraction technique or decompression technique to help open up your spine to protect it against any unnecessary and unnatural compression. The best way to make sure that you're active with the decompression process is to get a great night's sleep. The second best way to make sure that you are being active with the decompression process for your spine to make it as healthy as possible for the future is to visit me, Dr. Lou Jacobs, chiropractor, Portland, Maine. I can help you feel taller, look taller, and I can help your joints and spine be healthier. Hey, have an awesome day. Enjoy the storm. Hope you're all safe. Take care. Bye-bye.